This video shows how to inspect and test fiber end faces using the P5000i Fiber Microscope on your T-BERD or MTS test set. You should always inspect before you connect because dirty connectors degrade signal performance and can cause permanent damage to your cables and network equipment. Following the inspect before you connect process ensures fiber end faces are clean prior to mating connectors. To complete this process, you need a T-BERD or MTS test set, the P5000i Fiber Inspection Microscope, and fiber optic cleaning tools, such as the IBC brand One-Click or Stickler's brand Clean Clicker cleaners. The P5000i is pictured here. To use the P5000i on your T-BERD or MTS, connect the P5000i USB connector to a USB port on the test set. Connect the appropriate patch cord or bulkhead inspection tip to the P5000i by loosening and tightening the retaining nut on the barrel assembly. While over 400 tips are available for the P5000i, commonly used tips are pictured to the right. How to set up and run PassFail analysis on a T-BERD or MTS 5800 test set. After connecting the P5000i to the USB port on the side of the T-BERD, tap the microscope icon in the status bar at the top of the screen. Using the drop-down menus at the top of the screen, select the Profile and Tip. For Profile, select SM-APC for single-mode APC patch cables and bulkheads. Select SM-PC and Fiber Stub for non-APC single-mode patch cords and bulkheads. Or select MM for multi-mode patch cables and bulkheads. Leave the tip selection at standard tips unless you are using a long reach tip or other specialized tips. Insert the bulkhead inspection tip into the bulkhead or insert the patch cable ferrule into the patch cord inspection tip on the P5000i. Adjust the focus control wheel to focus the optical fiber. The left vertical bar on the screen indicates the level of focal adjustment. The higher the level, the better the focus. Use the magnification control to zoom in on the fiber and press the test button on the P5000i or on the T-BERD 5800. If the test fails, clean the fiber end face and repeat this process. If the test passes, you are ready to connect. Connecting the P5000i to the USB port on the side of the T-BERD, tap the microscope icon in the status bar at the top of the screen.